Life in charge. With the BMW Connected Home Charging Package Plus, you get all it takes to control and optimize your home charging process. You benefit from solar, load, and additionally cost-optimized charging using your My BMW app. The dynamic energy tariff by our partner E.ON is the enabler for cost-optimized charging. Learn how to get started with the BMW Connected Home Charging Package Plus in our other how-to video. Let's go! In the My BMW app, go to Charging, Charge and Climate Settings, and activate the mode Optimized Charging to optimize the charging session for charging costs. You can also activate Optimized Charging mode in your car. Now, BMW Connected Home Charging controls the power used for your charging process automatically. Using the automatically calculated charging plan, you can save money and reduce CO2 emissions. Save up to 15% of your household's energy costs. Watch our other how-to video about solar optimized and load optimized charging with the BMW Connected Home Charging Package. Enjoy cost-efficient connected home charging comfort and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.